naman.
Albo.
Mahaba.
Ganun yung mga kalbo.
John at Ron, kasama ng mga mahalin niyo sa buhay na naririto ngayon, ako'y bumabati sa inyo sa espesyal na araw na ito ng inyong kasal. Ako'y naniniwala na may mas malalim na dahilan kung bakit tayo'y natitipon ngayon. At walang iba, kundi dahil sa inyong pagmamahal.
You look so lovely when you are smiling. Dozens of roses can't be this, darling. I wouldn't mind spending my whole life with you.
Ron,
Yes.
I promise to love and honor you for the rest of my life. Make you happy every single day in my own special way.
What's best for us? So don't mind me singing this old song. If it makes you stay, then I will sing them all, baby. You're as calm and trusting as the deepest blue.
Ooh!
Wow.
Ano yan? Sabi niya wala siyang gift.
Alam ko na yun naman yan. Yun ba yung nawala?
Oo!
Tawag pa nga niya sa akin.
Ito nga! Oh my God!
Beginning, middle, and end.
Para makabata.
Ikis mo! Ikis mo! Dahan-dahan!
Do you remember when we got married? Vows in a high school booth were carried. Did you know?
Yung sa pinakamabait. That's me!
Met you. You're the only.
Mukhang palaban pero mas palaban si Ron. Yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya, yung positive, then yung matapang. Ako kasi yung taong laging may doubt sa sarili. Siya yung tumutulong sa akin na, sige lang, laban lang, go lang.
This old song, if it makes you stay, then I will sing them all, baby. You're as calm and trusting as the deepest blue. Your love and war and passionate, burning red. You're the sweetest hope and joy I felt. There's nothing else to be said. You're my everything, beginning, middle, and baby, you're as calm and trusting as the deepest blue.
Although nagsasama na kami na Ron, pero ito yung, siyempre, gusto natin yung bless tayo ni God. Yung pag tinawag ko siya na asawa ko, yung sabihin na, asan na yung Mrs. Ronaldo, Roldan Libria.
Beginning, middle, and end.
Ron, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si John na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. Noong una kasi, hindi ko talaga siya type physically. Tapos ngayon, pag nakikita ko siya, ang gwapo niya sa paningin ko.
Isang sagot dyan, hiyang ako sa'yo.
Ayun!
Ito yung hinihintay namin eh. Pangarap namin talaga ni Ron na ikasal. So, salamat sa mga doon sa mga family namin. And especially kay Ate Ruby and kay Kuya Ronnie. Sila kasi yung talagang malaking tulong kung sino man ako and then si Ron.
John, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ron na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
You make my heart feel like it's summer when the rain is pouring down. You make my heart.
So tulad ko na rin sa akin. Like father, like son. Oh.
'Cause I know you are the one. That's why I know you are the one.
Jan, pinapangako ko na hindi kita pababayaan. Alam na alam ko kung kailan mo ako pinakakailangan. Kaya huwag kang mag-alala kasi hindi kita iiwanan.
No, I never ever believed in love, but believed one day that
I promise to love you, stay waited. I love you, Mrs. Ronald Roldan. Libre.
Ah.